course, mister. All right, then.
A safe alert has been issued for Phoenix, Arizona. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. Phoenix Police Department is looking for 79-year-old Paul Martinez. He is described as a Hispanic male, 5 feet 5 inches tall, 135 pounds, with gray hair and brown eyes. Paul was last seen on August 2, 2026, at 4:30 p.m. at Ranch Market in the area of 1600 East Roosevelt Street. Paul is believed to have gotten on a City of Phoenix bus and traveled northbound on 16th Street to an unknown location. Paul suffers from a medical condition that may cause him to appear confused and disoriented, increasing the risk of him becoming lost and unable to safely return home on his own. He was last known to be wearing a dark-colored shirt and black pants. Please contact Phoenix PD if you have information on Paul Martinez. If you have contact with this safe alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.